Changing your profile picture on Apple Pay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Open the Wallet app. Launch the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where you manage your Apple Pay settings and cards. Step 2. Access your Apple Pay card. Locate and tap on your Apple Pay card. This will open the card details where you can manage your settings. Step 3. Tap on the info icon. Look for the information icon, usually represented by a circle on the card screen. Tap this icon to access more options related to your card. Step 4. Select Edit. In the card details menu, find and select the Edit option. This will allow you to make changes to your card settings, including your profile picture. Step 5. Change your profile picture. Follow the prompts to select a new profile picture from your photo library or take a new photo. Once you've chosen your image, confirm the changes to update your profile picture. Now you have successfully changed your profile picture on Apple Pay. Enjoy your updated look.